the beads we have before. And this one is 马蹄罗. Is this kind of the shell? Okay, let me just translate.
Troked.
Chugged. Yeah, it's chugged. Hi, Rondia. Hello. Happy to see you. Then here today we first use this kind of the old cross, and I am going to use the bigger cross chain. Okay, here. Yeah, is this? Then we are going to match with this one to make as a bracelet. Here, cut the small piece one by one. Check the shell is nice. Yes. Here. So we are going to use this chain and beads to make a bracelet just like this. Here, very simple design. One metal, one shell. One metal, one shell. Okay, so it's come like this way. I think this is a very easy design and simple making. Okay, so I am going to use the wire 0.6 to attach. Okay. Coffee Land, dear, your total box now is 55. 55 is your total. It's free shipping. 55, dear. Here, 55 is your total, dear. Coffee Land. Okay, let's go. We go to just wrap the loop here. Type. Make a simple bracelet. So wrap this way. Here. Did I get the black tube beads? Oh, black tube beads here. The black tube beads today will be arrival. So here I put in your box now. I almost forgot it. So here we'll pack it. It's on the way to my office. 64. Okay, 64 is the total. Okay. I will send you the picture when it's arrival. Here. Thank you. So the whole of the shell is this way. Let's make some very simple and easy bracelet. Fold and make a wrapper. Hi, happy to see you, my friends. Here, tight. We are wrap it 2 times of the notes. Here, this way. Then next, fold it, go hang, tight, up here. Okay, it's like this here. This one. And fold. Hang on. So very easy way that's to make the bracelet here. The technique, I'm sure even you are new friends, you understand how to make. This. Hello, Yanni Burton. Happy to see you. Open. Go up. Tight. Here. Cut. Here. Go through. Yeah. Thank you, Yanni, for your nice gift. Thank you so much. Here. It's the cross. Cross charm. Here. Again. Next. Here. Rubber. Here. Cut. Okay, continue. I love to make this kind of the simple design. It's always easy making just one technique. My friends, if you are new here, this is a channel showing you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Here you can learn how to make the jewelry, the technique you can learn here, and you can get some new idea here. Thank you. This way. Then wrap up. Let's see how long is it. This is 17. Okay, it's 17. Then we can lock. We can lock it. And close the bracelet. Then we go make attach with some clasper. Clasper, I will go to use a toggle clasper in this shape as well. Yeah, yes, it's make a bracelet today. Here. Then we go to use a toggle clasper. Toggle clasper. This one toggle clasp. I think the chain, yes, we have it in silver. We have the chain in silver. Let me show you. Chain in silver color is 11 meter. Let's put the jump ring. Jump ring to attach here. Okay. We'll receive the heartbeats. Okay, then let's see the design. So this one, the toggle clasp match with this bracelet is simple and nice making. Here, hi Kitty Lee, good morning. Here we just finished made a bracelet. Yeah, very easy and simple making. Just wrap. Okay. This is the shell in the this is the kind of the shell this chugged shell, and one string of this is priced 11.5 this one, and I'm show you the different from the shell before. Different from the shell before， 把我那里那个大的那个四叶草拿一下，那种的，那种大那种最简单的那个四叶草。Okay, let me show you the different way. Yeah, here. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Here, let's see how many pieces does it is here. 2、4、6、8、10、12、14、16、18、20、22、24、26、28、30。Yeah, 32 pieces of the shell. This, yeah, is here. The chain for this one here. It is this kind of the shell. Chugged. Yeah, chugged this. Yeah, chugged. Material is chugged because it's with the very shining the rainbow color. Yeah, not the fresh water shell. It's different. Okay. No clue what that means. Is the shell name, material name. It's like the crystal. The material name is amethyst. Crystal is the big name, and amethyst is the small name. And this one shell is the big name, and this is the. Let me see how to explain. 马蹄罗 is made by this shell. It's made by this shell. This material, this beads is made by this shell. Made from this shell. Made from this shell. They have the different color. Is this kind of the shirt made by this? So is the color very nice here? Is this kind of the shirt made by this? We have it in different shape. I will show you in different shape. Here. Yes, yes. Hi, Bumblebee. The price of this shirt is 11.5. And this shirt, each time I have to go to the factory to get. Here. Sea shirt, not the freshwater shirt. Freshwater shirt material will be cheaper, and the sea shirt materials will be priced higher. Thank you, Bumblebee. They are good. They